Hello guys. So today we are going to be talking about aloe vera gel or aloe vera plant or aloe vera. So a lot of people actually have this in their garden and in their homes as a fancy, maybe to make their house look nice or make their garden look nice, and they don't use it because they don't know the benefit of aloe vera. Because aloe vera is a plant that it has a lot of benefits. It can use it to heal a lot of ailments, which I'll be mentioning in this video. This is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and we talk about skincare, how to look after your skin, how to achieve clear, radiant, glowing skin. And our video today is about aloe vera gel. Aloe vera. This is the plant. I have it in my house. I just thought I should not like show off with it. So we're going to be talking about aloe vera gel benefits. What can you use it to do in terms of treating your skin, and also health benefits. Please help me to share this video and click the like button and like it. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and subscribe, because I have loads and loads of juicy videos that is coming and also on my channel already that can really help you with keeping your skin glowing and popping. So let's get on with the video. This is my aloe vera plant here. As you can see, I have some of them cut out, cut off from using it to do a lot of things in my house and on my skin. Okay, because aloe vera does a lot of things, and most times actually, if you don't have, like, for someone that has eczema or even psoriasis, rosacea, like it does a lot of things. If you have cuts or bruises, you could just use it as a face aid on your skin. Okay, but this video will be about mainly what aloe vera can do. So aloe vera has like it contains mucopolysaccharides. Okay, mucopolysaccharides is more like herbs instilling moisture in your skin. So what this means is, when you use aloe vera often on your skin, aloe vera gel often on your skin, the likelihood, I cut this one off today, the likelihood of you having dry skin is impossible. Yeah, the likelihood of you having dry skin is impossible. Okay, and it's a very easy recipe to use. You can get the gel in the pharmacy shops, you can get the gel online, and when you're buying, make sure you buy the one like say 100% or 99.9% aloe vera. Make sure you don't buy the one that is like mixed with loads and loads of things, because you don't want that. Okay, now what exactly does it do to your skin? Okay, now aloe vera helps to smooth your skin. It gives you that even skin tone if you have dark spots. Or the most important thing as well is for someone that has a freshly skin bleaching burn. So aloe vera helps with the skin bleaching burn. Okay, it helps to more like stop your skin tissue from getting more damage, especially if the burn is very new, like few hours old or few days old. You can use aloe vera on your skin to heal your skin tissue and stop it from, going extra miles, like, the damage from going extra mile. Okay. It also prevents long time UV damage and photo aging, because a lot of us get premature aging due to exposing our skin to a lot of sun. Okay, now how do you apply it? How do you apply aloe vera? As you can see, I've just cut this one off, and there's this yellow. I'll show you now. It's coming out, like, can you see the yellow water? It drips in, like when you just cut it off from the plant, this yellow water comes up. You need to make sure that the water, you can, once you cut it, you leave it like for few, at least 30 minutes or an hour for this yellow water, because it can be a little bit poisonous, to kind of dry out first before you now use it. It's very easy to use. See the way this one is. See, it's very easy to use. You just cut it off, you can peel it off, and then you blend it. If you don't have a blender, you can mash it and then mix it with your vitamin E oil if you want to apply it on your skin. Or you can buy the aloe vera gel from any supermarket, any pharmacy stores, and you just use it as a moisturizer. You can use it as a face mask. You can use it as a sunburn remedy. You can use it for a lot of things. Okay, so I just said, okay, today let me tell you guys that this is a plant that I think you should have in your home. But if you can't get the plant, you should go get the gel from any shop, any pharmacy shop, and have it. Okay. If you want me to maybe tell you what kind of, if you want to use it as a face mask, I can send like a recipe for you. If you send me a DM, I can send a recipe for you that you can use. If you want to use it as a face mask, put like a vitamin E oil inside, or any oil, I know, coconut oil, rosehip oil, mix it up and then use it as a moisturizer. If you're buying the gel from the shop, just mix it with some oil and be applying it, and your dry skin will go like that. Especially this winter, your skin is really dry. So I hope this video is very helpful. My aloe vera gel. And if you have any more questions, let me know. Leave your comment below in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.